How to stop bad videos on Facebook. Now, without any further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open Facebook app on your device and make sure to log in on your Facebook account. Then select the three-line menu icon at the top right corner of the screen. On this section, select the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you get access to the settings and privacy page, scroll all the way down and under preferences, select news feed option. Once you get access on this feed page, select reduce to manage which content is reduced so that you are less likely to see it. Here, you need to select sensitive content. And now it has been set to default. You just have to tap on reduce more so that you may see fewer posts in your feed that have things such as sexually suggestive content, short and violent or graphic content, and people who repeatedly share posts that go against our community standards. So select the OK button here, and once you have updated your preferences section, you'll easily remove bad videos on Facebook feed. So that is how we basically stop bad videos or remove bad videos on Facebook feed. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share and comment on this video. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe and press the notification bell so that you won't miss any updates from this channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.